Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Jingïakhih University, Meghalaya.
Ban penpau ya Jingïakhih Kyrshan ya Jingïakhih ki Samla ha Delhi ki ba persya ya Jinglaitu ki Jingkeli ha ki eksamen prepare bat bandawa Hiar Shuki ya menteri ke Sarkar Padang ubak kami ya terat Pule Putih ke Sarkar Padang Dharmendra Pradhan ka khasi students union legba ki snat rekam ki badan ha ki skol ba hapo ka jela ki ba kentup ha skol ba Nehu Shillong ha USTM, ha RIST Ribhoi District, ha Nia Shillong, ha MGU Ribhoi District, ha ka Arsautrek Unaitung Arjak Punreu, kila pelong ya ka Jingïakhih, hala ki jong ki skol ba. Kom kadak ka jing solem, ya ki mensiem jong ki art pongut ki Samla Pule, ki bala dekat no, ya la ka jong ka jing halau ka jing laitu ki Jingkeli examen need, ki snat rekam ka ki SU, kila pelong ru ya ka jing skapjar ka bashi minit, bat pelong ru ya ka jing thang mombati, kom ka jing solem nak benta ki bahayang hasam, ki bala du no, ya ki kun ki kiti, ki henman ki para lajong. Ha ka Jingïakhih bala pelong dah ka Nehu Students Union ringkat bat ka KSU Nehu Unit la saki ka Jingïakhih menta Shitham jang ki Samla Pule ha ka di skol ba.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.